students in Bangladesh. This photo is very recent. It's just 1 week ago. In Dhaka University, female students were on the road to protest for their right to meritocracy. But they were met with goons. In Bangladesh, the unelected government led by Sheikh Hasina, she has purposefully sent goons after the students, the innocent students who were only asking for their own rights. But the goons went there, and as you can see from the picture that I hold, even the female students were not safe from their torture. They tortured people on the road. They tortured people on their home. They abducted students. And from then on, it was war. It began as a protest for the right to meritocracy. In my country, there used to be 56% quota reserved for other people, and only 44% of the seats were reserved for meritocratic students. 30% of the quota belonged to the children and the grandchildren of the freedom fighters. We realize the importance of freedom fighters, but the grandchildren of freedom fighters do not deserve 30% of the seats. The students who rightfully raised their voice was suppressed. The government have been suppressing our voice for the last 15 years. The last two elections were rigged. We all knew that. The rigged elections led to the corrupt government, and the corruption has led to the creation of goons, the creation of military that is under the control of the government. Right now, as we speak, my country is out of network for 4 days. I have not been able to contact with my own mother. My brother have not been able to contact with my mother. I have no clue what is happening to my friends. The last I heard from my friends, they were on the street. They were being shot by the police. And now the military is on the road. The military is roaming the road with tanks, with armored vehicles. They're firing open fire with bullets. What started with rubber bullets is now with fire and ammunition. We, the students, strongly advocate against this violence, and we have one and only priority right now. We want the deposition of Sheikh Hasina as Prime Minister. She has led our country for the last 15 years, and this country is now in ruins. Our country is killing our own students. With our own ammunition, our brothers are being killed. We want justice. We want justice.
We want justice.
We want justice.
We want justice.
We want justice.
We want justice.
We want justice.
We want justice.
We want justice.
We want justice.
We want justice.
We want justice.
We want justice.
We want justice.
We want justice.
We want justice.
At least 200 people have been killed, and most of them are students. I have my own friends who have been killed. My friends have reported to me that it's a massacre on the Dhaka. The official report said 200, but my friends say it might even be thousands. Thousands of students are being killed on the streets. And what is the government doing? The government is sending its own military after its own students. The armored vehicles are roaming around the city. Everything is locked around. There's a curfew going on in my country for the last few days, and the government has issued an order to shoot on site. Remember, these are students we're talking about.
Damn the government.
And right now, we have no access to information. For the last 4 days, there is no internet in our country, and the military has taken over the country as well. We have no clue what's happening. A lot of people are dying in my country, especially the students. There have been martyrs from our student brothers, and we want justice. We want justice.